Hello dear viewer, in today's video will we be discussing mitochondria and its role in fat loss. I will suggest you watch this video to the end as we will share with you 2 ways you can increase your mitochondria density and efficiency. So what is mitochondria? Mitochondria are the powerhouse of our cells. Each cell of our body can contain as few as 1 mitochondria to over 200 of these tiny powerhouses. Through a series of biochemical reactions, these little powerhouses convert the food we eat into ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is the energy our body uses to perform functions such as breathing, talking, walking or lifting weights. These tiny structures within our cells produce up to 90% of the energy that sustains our organs and bodily functions, but without them, or if they malfunction, we can become metabolically upset, too fat and sick, which may possibly lead to death. The good news is mitochondria are intrinsic to the metabolism of fatty acids. That means, for fat loss to occur, fatty acids must be mobilized from our fat stores and transported to mitochondria for oxidation. That simply means mitochondria can get rid of body fat. Common. Let's give mitochondria some thumbs up, but here is a little challenge. Do you think if you had more mitochondria, and if the mitochondria you already have work better, it would help you shed more body fat? You can leave your comment below, but let me help you out. The answer is yes, and yes, here's the good news. Mitochondria can reproduce. That means you can increase the number of mitochondria in your cells. It can be trained to work better. You can increase mitochondrial efficiency, or how well the mitochondria of your cells work. Keep watching to know how you can increase your mitochondrial density and tune up your existing mitochondria to work much better. The first thing to do is exercise. Your body has no reason to be efficient or produce new mitochondria if you don't exercise. To increase mitochondrial efficiency, you need to do some form of aerobic exercise. Interval training has been shown to increase efficiency and density of mitochondria. You can add 2 or 3 interval sessions to your weekly routine. A simple plan may include sprint, cycling, swim, walking or jump a rope as fast as you can for 30 seconds, then take a 2-minute rest. Then repeat for 6 to 8 times and you are good to go. To increase mitochondrial density, remember, that's the number of mitochondria in your cells. Grow your muscles through weight training. Larger muscle cells will equate to higher numbers of mitochondria, and 2, help your body mobilize its stored fat by eating the right way. Now that you've been exercising, you have high numbers of efficient mitochondria. Congratulations, now you have to feed those mitochondria, which means you have a choice to make. You can feed them with shit like sugar from cake and donuts and Coke and chips and pizza, which they love. Or you can feed them the fat you've got stored around your midsection. You have a choice to make. If your goal is to lose fats, chances are pretty good you'd prefer that your mitochondria burn your stored body fat, right? Here's the problem. If you constantly take in sugar and high glycemic carbohydrates such as bread, cereal, crackers, cookies, chips, rice, potatoes, etc., your mitochondria can run perfectly well on that instead of your stored body fat. In fact, sugar is the preferred source of fuel because it's easier to use. But that also means your mitochondria aren't going anywhere near your stored fat. So how do you mobilize body fat? Don't give your mitochondria cheap and easy fuel. Give your mitochondrial premium fuel by eating a diet rich in fibrous vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, while greatly reducing or avoiding sugar, processed carbohydrates, and high glycemic natural carbohydrates, those high sugar fruits like bananas, pineapple, and starchy veggies like potatoes, white rice and corn. Before we close on today's video, let's recap the bottom line. Proper training and diet will lead to increased mitochondrial density and efficiency, resulting in greater fat loss, higher energy levels, a healthier body, and even a longer lifespan. Stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.